So I will show you how you can make $20 from your smartphone. You know, you are using your smartphone, but you are not making money from it every time you are consuming your internet connection. On this video, I want to show you this website that will pay you $20 plus or more. This is the website that you can use to make this $20 that I just talked about, which is called Honeygain app. So to use this Honeygain app, you need to click on this like a gift icon. Just register, you will get $5 bonus. So if I click on register now, it will take us here. You just have to register with your Google account or your Facebook account. You are good to go. So once you are done with this, next thing is to download it. So to download it, come back again to this homepage here of Honeygain and click on download for Android. What is good is that this application is good for, you can use it on your Android and you can use it on your computer too, either on the devices that you have. So once you are done downloading it, you just have to go and log into your own account. So once you have downloaded, this is how the application will look on your smartphone. I will log in my own account. So once you log in, that is all you just have to do. Allow this application to run on your smartphone and you will be accumulating coin, which is Honeygain coin. That is how it works, guys. So when I click on this three dot icon here, when I click on transaction history, you will see that transaction history here, you will see that I have received almost $40 plus by just using this application. So I don't know what you think, guys. This is a good way of accumulating some free cash online. Let me know what you think in the comment section below and follow me for more great videos like this. I just want to tell you that this application is not available on Google Play Store. Anyone you find on Google Play Store is fake. So don't use those ones that is on Google Play Store. Download it from their official website.